today we talk about how can you change language on your Octa app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here. You go here above this sign, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on language here. So then here you will find all these languages here like you see, and here can you select your language in this list here. Then it's going to add with you on your app. So that's all you have to do to change your language on Okta app. So that's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.